Okay, so now we've got some basic movement. Let's build a really, really basic maze. So if I go back to my backdrop, and I made it a blue sky before, you might have it as white, I can actually just draw in the lines for a maze. So I click on the line over here, and it's just a basic build. There's a line there. And then I draw another line down. And then I can draw a line across. Really basic. You can go nuts. All right, now I might want to have something in the middle there that the cat goes and collects. So I'll do that as a sprite, costume. Let's see if I can just import one. Let's do things. Let's go to animals. Oh, let's go to things. What do we got? Oh, they can get a balloon. There we go. Let's click on OK. Now, the balloon is too big, obviously, for the middle of this thing, the maze. So I click on shrink. I'm just shrinking that down. I've lost my shrink. Go again. I'm pressing escape so that my shrink is no longer there. I'm going to put that in the middle. So that means now the cat has to get there. The cat's still too big to get through my maze because the sprite's too big. You can see that. I need him to be able to get through the maze, and away we go. So I need to do a bit more action because I need this cat to go up and down. At the moment I've only got left and right. So again, I'm going to do an up arrow, down arrow, and of course this time I'm operating on the Y axis. When I'm going up it's positive, when I'm going down it's minus, so minus 10. So now I can, my cat can go up and down, left and right. But as you can see, the cat can go all the way through the black lines, which makes it not a maze at all. So what we're going to do is make it restricted. So what I'm going to do is make another event, another control, and I'm going to say if, and I'm attaching it to my green one so it will always happen. You can always right click here and do cleanup and it will clean up your code for you. I'm doing if it's touching the black, I want it to go to, all I've done there is to try and get, I've done duplicate, I've right clicked duplicate to get exactly the same reference. I don't need that anymore, I'm just putting that over there. Let's do a cleanup again. Go back to there, but it's not the mouse pointer. Nuts, I've done the wrong code. If touching color, that's what I want. So then I click here inside that and then pick it up and just click on the black. Nope, I want to pick on that and click on the black. So that means now if I press the green flag and I press the black, nothing's going to happen. I need to do a forever loop around that. So let's click again. See how he's now going back to the beginning? So if I go down here and now I try and go to the balloon, it's going to send me back to the beginning. So now I'm bound by that colour. And if I go here and I go up here, it's going to send me back to the beginning, back to the beginning. So that's a quick way of doing a parameter. What you can also do then is I could also say for the balloon, when the green is clicked, forever, if touching sprite 2, broadcast message 1. Now what that means is we can go back here, we can go back to our backdrop, I can do a new backdrop, I can go to the text box and I can say you win in the middle of that, and then I can go here and I can say when I receive message 1, looks, switch to backdrop 1, yep, that's what I want, but we want it all to be OK at the beginning. So we need it to be the blue one at the beginning. So when click, go to blue sky when receive message 1. So if we do that, we're back at the beginning. Now you'll just have to be patient while I take my cat all the way through without making a mistake with any luck. I should have made my maze easier. I haven't made the cat face different ways for up and down. Sorry about that. You can do that. You can make it change directions. You can do all sorts of things. This is me just showing you some basic stuff. Please work. Ooh. Yay, we win. Now, what we could do at the end there is we could also say that when I receive message 1, we can go to looks and we can do hide, and then you can see how it disappeared. Broadcast message 1, we can go when I receive broadcast message 1, we hide. But remember, when we've got a flag, we've got to have the show. So we have to go back to the cat. I'm going to put a stop on that and do show. So now you've got a little game where if you run it, it will actually have you win and everything disappears at the back. That is a basic maze that you can do in Scratch. Thanks.